Hello friends. So our 8.2 exercise, first sum and 7 sum, two sums over, first and 7, okay, 1 and 7. So let's continue with the 6. There are 7 sums in our 8.2 exercise, okay. So taking the question number 6, smaller area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square equal to 4 and the line x plus y equal to 2, okay, smaller area. Here circle is x square plus y square equal to 4. Center 0 0 and radius equal to 2. Line is x plus y equal to 2. Okay. Center and radius. So obviously we need intersection point. Okay. Intersection. So how to find the intersection point? So putting y equal to 2 minus x here. So x square plus y is 2 minus x and whole square and equal to 4. X square plus 4 minus 4x plus x square and equal to 4. X square plus x square 2x square minus 4x and 4 cancel and equal to 0. 2 common and cancel, so x square minus 2x equal to 0. X common and x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. So y equal to x equal to 0. Y also y equal to 2 and x equal to 2. Y equal to 0. So this is our intersection point. So intersection points are 0 2 and 2 0. Now making the circle. So this is our circle, x and y. And there is a line. We have to put this line on the graph. Okay. So putting the 0 2 and 2 0. Okay. So what is the radius? 2. This radius is the center is 0 0. And radius is 2. So this point is 2 0. So obviously our intersection 2 0. So here is the 2 0. And here is 0 2. Okay. 2 0 and 0 2. Radius and point same. Radius 2. R square equal to 2. So radius equal to 2. Radius 2. So this point is 2 0 and this point is 2. This distance is 2. So this point is 0 2. And 2 0 and 0 2 are our intersection point. Now joining these two intersection points. So this is our line. Okay. What is the line? X plus y equal to 2. Now smaller area enclosed by the circle and line. Smaller area. So obviously this one is the smaller area. Okay. So area, smaller area, enclosed by the circle x square plus y square equal to 4 and line x plus y equal to 2 is given by चलो समझो आप मीनिंग समझो मीनिंग So you can see here, this is our part or not. Here point is 0, here point is 2. Okay? चलो टेल मी वन थिंग, जो आप कर रहे थे ना, जो एक ही काम करना है. दिस एरिया इज मेड बाय द सर्कल एंड लाइन. सर्कल एंड लाइन तो कर्व माइनस लाइन, सर्कल मींस कर्व माइनस लाइन इज द आंसर. वही करना है हमें. बट एक बात समझो आप यहां पर, तो हाउ टू फाइंड दिस एरिया. दिस ब्लू पार्ट एरिया हाउ टू फाइंड. ये तो हमने 8.1 में कर लिया था कि एरिया मेड बाय द सर्कल, बराबर. ब्लू पार्ट एरिया मीन्स how to find this area. 0 to 2, 0 to 2 and circle, तो under root from the circle 4 minus x square dx. तो ये तो आपको फुल एरिया मिल गया. हमें तो इतना ही चाहिए. तो नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड दिस एरिया. तो this triangle, how to find this area. तो same 0 to 2, and this area is made by the line or not. तो y equal to 2 minus x dx. तो meaning is, if we find area made by the circle, इस एरिया मेड बाय द सर्कल, तो हमें इतना एरिया मिल जाएगा. बट दिस इज नॉट अवर आंसर. वी नीड दस दिस वन. तो अगर हम ये फुल एरिया फाइंड कर ले, फुल एरिया माइनस दिस ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल टू आवर आंसर और नॉट. तो फुल एरिया मीन्स एरिया मेड बाय द सर्कल एंड माइनस दिस ट्राइंगल मीन्स दिस ट्राइंगल इज मेड बाय द लाइन. तो फुल एरिया minus this triangle is equal to our part or not. Yes. इसलिए हम क्या करते हैं, कर्व माइनस लाइन. तो एक्चुअली मीनिंग क्या है कि फुल एरिया माइनस मेड बाय द लाइन. ओके, चलो सेम हियर, दिस इज आवर आंसर. तो वही सब्ट्रैक्शन ही हुआ ना, लिमिट सेम है दोनों में. जो चेक करो, यू कैन टेक ऑल्सो वाई लिमिट. दोनों लिमिट ले सकते हो आप यहां पर. तो बट यूज आवर मेथड. ओके, हम जो मेथड यूज कर रहे हैं बस वही यूज करो आप. ठीक है. तो इज गिवन बाय a इक्वल टू मोड ऑफ i, वेयर i इक्वल टू इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ सर्कल एंड लाइन. सो वी हैव टू यूज इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट. तो यूजिंग 0 to 2. अदरवाइज अगर आपको ये यूज नहीं करना तो ये यूज करो 0 to 2. मीनिंग तो सेम ही हुआ ना, 0 to 2 and curve circle minus line. Okay, 0 to 2 and circle minus line. Done. So circle minus line. So from the circle under root 4 minus x square minus bracket, and here y equal to 2 minus x dx. Ready? Now solving. Therefore, I equal to bracket under root 4 minus x square means formula x by 2 as it is plus a square. What is a square for? 4 by 2 is 2. Sine inverse x by a. So x by 2. X by 2 as it is plus a square by 2. A square is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Sine inverse x by a is 2. Minus multiply. So minus 2. Minus 2 integration is 2x and minus minus plus. Integration of x is x square by 2. And 0 to 2. Now applying upper minus lower. Here applying the upper limit. Putting 2. So 2 square 4 and 4 minus 4 0. 0 into this value 0. Plus 2. Here putting 2, the 2 to cut. Sine inverse 1 pi by 2. So 2 into pi by 2. Minus 2 into 2 4. And plus 2 square 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Upper limit over minus lower limit. What is the lower limit? 0. Here putting 0 to 0 plus here putting 0 to 0 by 2 is 0 and sine inverse 0 means 0 minus here 0 and last term also 0. So I equal to 2 pi by 2 means only pi and minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 and other values 0. So I equal to pi minus 2. So area A equal to mod of pi minus 2 and pi minus 2 is positive value. So A equal to answer is pi minus 2 and here over. Done? So this is your number 6. Answer is pi minus 2. So क्वेश्चन 6 ओवर. ओके, क्वेश्चन 6 में क्या था? 1 सर्कल, बराबर, 1 सर्कल एंड लाइन. सेम सम इज एग्जाम्पल नंबर 8. बराबर. कर्व एंड लाइन. Suppose if line in the standard form, x and y form, so area made by the curve and line, so curve minus line fixed. Intersection point is your limit and curve minus line. Upside to follow x limit, right side to follow y limit. Okay. Two curves, they are also same method. आपने वो कर्व एंड पैराबोला वाला सम तो देख लिया था, सर्कल एंड पैराबोला वाला. इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट माइनस √2 टू प्लस √2. बराबर. चलो इन फिगर it means diagram is given. AOBA is the part of the ellipse 9x square plus y square equal to 36 in the first quadrant such that OA equal to 2 and OB equal to 6. Find the area between arc AB and chord AB. So diagram is given in your textbook and same diagram you have to draw in your answer. Okay. So first of all, here ellipse is 9x square plus y square equal to 36. Okay, this is our ellipse. Now give a questions diagram. Put it here. So ellipse. Here 0, 0. Point is O. Here A. OA equal to 2. So this is 2, 0. Here B. OB equal to 6. So this is 0, 6. Okay. So in this figure, AOBA is the part of the ellipse 9x square plus y square equal to 36 in the first quadrant, such that OA equal to 2. So this point is 2, 0 and OB equal to 6. So this point is 0, 6. Find the area between arc AB and chord AB. So this is the arc AB and this one is the chord AB. So we need this area. ठीक है, यानी ये जो कोड ए बी है ना, तो कोड ए बी में से आपको एक इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन ही मिलेगा आपको. कोड इज ए जनरली लाइन. ओके, प्रॉब्लम इज कि curve is given, it means ellipse is given. Okay. We need this area. बराबर. तो to find this area, this is your chord AB and this is your arc AB. Area between arc AB and chord AB. So this is your area between the arc AB and chord AB. So how to find this area? Arc minus chord. Arc means ellipse and chord means this AB. Okay. So we don't know about the equation of AB line. हमारे पास equation of line नहीं है. But chord का तो equation, sorry, arc का तो equation है. chord equation नहीं है हमारे पास. Okay. चलो तो 11th में हमें जाना पड़ेगा. इट मीन्स 11th में आपको याद होना चाहिए. चलो तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पुटिंग सम डेटा लाइक हियर OA equal to 2, so A equal to 2, 0 and OB equal to 6. So B equal to 0, 6. Okay. Area between curve and arc and chord. This part. We have the equation of this arc. Arc means ellipse, but we don't know about the chord. Okay. चलो. How to find the equation of chord? So on AB, chord AB. A point is 2, 0 and B point is 0, 6. Both the points are known. 2 points are known on the line. Then how to find the equation? 2-point formula. 11th, standard 11, chapter 10, straight line, 2-point formula. So equation of AB, chord AB. Is given by x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 formula. Generally, simply here finding the equation of line AB. A point is x1 y1 and B point is x2 y2. Formula I repeat. X minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1. x1 y1 x2 y2. X minus x1 and x1 is 2 upon x2 minus x1. x1 y1 x2 y2 0 minus 2 y minus y1, x1, y1, y1 is 0. And y2 minus y1, x1, y1, x2, y2, y2 is 6. 6 minus 0. Now solving this. X minus 2 upon minus 2. And y by 6. Okay? Six by minus 2, minus 3, and minus the other side multiply. Minus 3x plus 6 and equal to y. Take other side. So answer 3x plus y minus 6 and equal to 0. Okay? So ready? Now, area between RKB and code AB is given by. A equal to only one part, so mod of I, where I equal to integration. What is your limit? 0 to 2. Curve minus line. Curve means arc and line means chord. Curve means ellipse. If 0 and 2 are the values of x, so put the value of y. What is the y square? 36 minus 9x square. So y under root 36 minus 9x square. Now curve minus line. What is the line? 3x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. So y equal to 6 minus 3x. Bracket. 6 minus 3x dx. बस अभी हमें ये सोल्व करना है जीरो ओवर. बट बिफोर वी सोल्व दिस आई हियर जो दिस इज ए फॉर्मूला, बट फॉर्मूला में एक्स स्क्वायर कोएफिशिएंट 1 होना चाहिए, बट हियर कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज नॉट 1, देयर इज ए 9. तो फ्रॉम दिस रूट 9 कॉमन, और फ्रॉम दिस अंडर रूट 9 कॉमन, तो रूट ऑफ 9 कॉमन, इट मींस आउटसाइड 3 कॉमन. एंड अंडर रूट 36 by 9, 4 minus x square. Minus, and here 3 common. So bracket 2 minus x dx. Now 3 fully common. So integration 0 to 2 under root 4 minus x square minus bracket 2 minus x dx. Okay? Otherwise minus sign multiply. Or minus multiply, then minus 2 plus x and dx. Or 1 by 1 integration. I 3 common and bracket under root 4 minus x square. So under root a square minus x square. X by 2 as it is. Plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. What is your a square? 4. 4 by 2, 2. X by a means 2. Minus 2x. And plus x square by 2. And what is your limit? 0 to 2. Now upper minus lower. Now I. Here 3 bracket, and here in the first bracket upper limit. Upper limit is 2. 2 square 4. 4 minus 4 0. 0 into this value 0. Plus 2. Sin inverse. We are putting 2. 2 by 2 1. Sin inverse 1 pi by 2. Minus 2 into 2 4 plus 2 square 4, 4 by 2 is 2. Okay, upper limit is over. Minus lower limit, here 0 to 0, 0, 0, 0, so all 0. Okay, so just these two left. So I equal to 3 bracket 2 to cut and pi and minus 2. So either this is the answer or 3 pi minus 6 unit square. Okay. So here is your example number 8 over. Barabar? Same to same previous sum. Okay. Alright friends. Next, taking the example number 6. Area between the two parabolas. Two parabolas, it means two curves. Area between two curves means curve minus curve and intersection point is your limit. Okay. So here two parabolas are, one is y equal to x square, it means x square equal to y, and another one is y square equal to x. Okay. So two parabolas, x square, standard form, both are standard form, so both from the origin. X square, so up or down, other side plus value, so this parabola upside, and y square equal to x, standard form, so from the origin, y square, so right or left, but y square equal to here positive value, so right side. It means this one is upside, first parabola is upside and second parabola is right side. तो मीनिंग हमने क्या बोला था कि इफ योर कर्व, जो दिस इज द इंटरसेक्शन. ओके, इंटरसेक्शन में ही ध्यान में रखना है आपको. इंटरसेक्शन में अगर अप साइड है तो फॉलो एक्स लिमिट, राइट साइड है तो फॉलो वाई लिमिट. हियर बोथ दी साइड, देन इन दिस सम यू कैन फॉलो एनी साइड, आइदर फॉलो एक्स साइड और वाई साइड, आंसर साइड मिलेगा. एक सम में आपको मैं कराऊंगा, एक आप एक्स्ट्रा वो करूंगा, बराबर आपको करना होगा, बराबर, एंड वो मैं आपको बोल दूंगा. ठीक है, चलो. बट फर्स्ट वन, टू पैराबोलास, अदरवाइज वन पैराबोला एंड लाइन, कर्व एंड लाइन, टू कर्व्स. Our what is our first step? Intersection point. Okay. So how to find the intersection point? So putting x equal to y square here. So y equal to x square here, वो भी कर सकते हैं. y equal to x square here. तो x square and square equal to x. So x to the power 4 equal to x. Taking other side, x to the power x minus x and equal to 0, x common, and x cube minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 0 and x cube minus 1 equal to 0, so x equal to 1. Okay, x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. X equal to 0 here, so 0 square is 0, it means y also, y equal to 0, and x equal to 1, so y equal to 1. Okay. So intersection points are zero zero and 1 1. Now putting both the parabolas on the graph. X square equal to y upside. This is x square equal to y. And y square equal to x, right side. So this is your intersection of both the parabolas. And these two are the intersection points. So obviously intersection points are 0, 0 and 1, 1. So this point is 1, 1. चलो मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला था कि here curve upside and also right side. Upside तो we have to follow x limit and right side तो we have to follow y limit. But this upside and right side both तो follow any limit, either x or y. दोनों से हो जाएगा. बराबर. एक मेथड हम यहाँ पर करेंगे, एक आपको करनी होगी. बराबर. हम यहाँ पर x लिमिट लेके करेंगे, y लिमिट लेके आपको करनी है. ठीक है. चलो एरिया of the region bounded by the two parabolas is given by area of the region bounded by two parabolas x square equal to y and y square equal to x is given by curve and parabola, two parabolas, two curves, curve and line. A equal to intersection is A equal to only single part. So A equal to modify and I means curve minus curve or curve minus line. Okay. So given by A equal to mod of I, where I equal to, so we are taking here x limit. दोनों लिमिट ले सकते हैं यहां पर तो. बराबर. तो x लिमिट 0 and 1, so 0 to 1. Now x limit, so from both the parabolas, subject y, or from this parabola, subject y, to y equal to x square minus, and here y equal to root x. ठीक है. अगर आप y लिमिट फॉलो करते हो, y लिमिट, तो y लिमिट भी वही है ना, 0 to 1. अगर आप ये बोलते हैं कि चलो भाई y लिमिट 0 to 1, ओके, तो सेम लिमिट 0 to 1. ओके, y लिमिट तो v नीड हियर y, तो सब्जेक्ट x, तो व्हाट इज x? हियर x रूट y एंड हियर x y स्क्वायर. तो रूट y एंड y स्क्वायर सब्ट्रैक्शन सेम. और नाउ सॉल्विंग दिस I. सो I इक्वल टू x square, so x cube by 3 root x raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 and 0 to 1. Now upper minus lower, upper limit putting 1, so 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 by 2 and putting 0 to 0. So I equal to 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. 3 LCM, 1 minus 2 minus 1. So I equal to minus 1 by 3. Therefore, area equal to mod of minus 1 by 3. So area A equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Over. So here is your example number 6 over. Okay. So now we will meet in next lecture with next sums. Done?